First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines. It's located in the top right corner on Android or the bottom right corner on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Pages. Now, choose the page you want to manage. Tap Switch to fully switch to that page. Once you're inside your page, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Page Access. This is where you can see and manage who has access to your page and what roles they have. Now, tap Add New in the top right corner. A brief explanation of access roles will appear. Tap Next. Search for the person you want to assign as a moderator. When their name shows up, tap on it to select them. Next, you'll be asked to choose their role. Select Moderator. This role allows them to manage comments, respond to messages, handle community activity, and view insights, but they won't have full admin control. To finish, enter your Facebook password to confirm the changes. An invitation will be sent to that person. They'll have up to 31 days to accept it. Once they do, they'll officially become a moderator on your page. And that's it. You've now successfully added a moderator using your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.